Welcome to our video about the essential tools and materials for vertical gardening. In this video, we will explore the tools and materials that every vertical gardener should have in order to create a thriving and beautiful garden vertically. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced gardener, this video will provide you with all the information you need to get started or take your vertical garden to the next level. In this scene, we will discuss the essential tools for vertical gardening. These tools include a sturdy trellis or support system, hanging planters or containers, pruners or shears for trimming, a watering can or hose for irrigation, and a hand trowel for planting. Each of these tools plays a crucial role in maintaining and tending to your vertical garden. In this scene, we will explore the essential materials needed for vertical gardening. These materials include high-quality potting soil or compost, organic fertilizers or plant food, mulch or ground cover for moisture retention, and hooks or brackets for hanging planters securely. These materials provide the necessary nutrients, support, and protection for your vertical garden to thrive and flourish. In this scene, we will share some tips for choosing the right tools and materials for your vertical garden. Consider factors such as the size and weight of the tools and materials, durability and weather resistance, as well as the specific requirements of your plants. By selecting the right tools and materials, you can ensure the success and longevity of your vertical garden. Congratulations! You have now learned about the essential tools and materials for vertical gardening. Armed with this knowledge, you can confidently start or enhance your own vertical garden. Remember to gather the necessary tools and materials and choose them wisely based on your garden's needs. Happy gardening!